Hello, everyone. Welcome to the new channel. Our passion transforms a community that shares and sees all things new. My name is Juan Lu,
And my name is Nicola, live streaming from Antipolo City.
and you're watching.
Potatoe Short Stories on TNC.
The new channel. Hashtag TNC Now.
The views, opinions, and insights expressed in the following shows are those of the host, producers, guests, and viewers. They do not necessarily reflect the position of the channel. Viewer discretion is advised.
All right, Nicolo, second to the last episode.
Oto, second to the last episode.
Wala tayo last week.
Oto, kasi nasa Surigao City tayo.
At yan nga pala ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon, puppetry in Surigao City. All right, welcome back to the Puppet Short Stories on TNC. Again, I'm Tito Juan Lu.
And I'm Nicola. Kamusta po kayo? Nanis nyo ba kami? Wala kami last week.
Wala tayo last week, Nicolo, kasi nasa Surigao City tayo. And yung internet medyo hindi stable dahil wala naman akong internet connection. Naka-data lang ako.
Eh, kasi di ka nagtakadit eh. Sana sinabi mo kay Mayor.
Well, oo nga, no? Pero anyway, ang ipapakita po namin sa inyo ngayon ay ang ginawa naming puppetry busking sa Luneta Park ng Surigao City.
Opo, through the kindness of Mayor Paul Dunlao.
Tama, maraming salamat po, Mayor Paul Dumlao, the Honorable Mayor of Surigao City, at ang, syempre, tinulungan din tayo ng Surigao City Tourism and Culture Office.
Ay, opo, tana. Tourism and Cultural Affairs Office ng Surigao City.
Tama, mamaya we'll give credit to them properly, no? In the meantime, papakita po namin sa inyo ang ginawa naming busking sa Surigao City last week lang ito, last weekend actually, no? At ito po ay ginanap nga sa Luneta Park o Luneta Kiosk ng Surigao City. At ito ay para sa mga batang Surigao noon.
Opo, maraming nanood dito, Hanlu.
Oo, kumanta-kanta tayo doon at maraming salamat po sa mga taga Surigao City at kami pinaunlakan nyo at pinanood ninyo. We'll show you a few photos before we show you a short clip. These are the photos that happened, photos of the busking that happened in Surigao City. Ayan, no? Maraming nagpa-picture sa'yo, Nicola.
Ay, opo. Ayan, oh, ang cute ng bata, oh. Kaya lang, matanda siya sa akin. 7 years old lang ako, Tito Hanlu, eh. Siya yata 8, eh.
Matanda lang pala ng 1-year-old, eh.
Oo nga, no? Ayan, ito. Medyo, ito naman sumobra na tanda. Ano na to, eh, 15, 16, eh. Wala tuloy akong naging kaibigan doon.
Pero maraming nanood sa'yo, Nicola. Kumanta-kanta ka.
Opo, at maraming nag-tip, kaya maraming salamat po sa mga taga Surigao City na nag-tip. Yung mga hindi nag-tip, okay lang, basta andun kayo, masaya na kami.
Uy, tama, Nicolo. Maraming nanood at maraming nagpa-picture sa'yo. At marami namang natuwa sa kanta-kanta mo eh.
Kahit wala ako sa tono.
Hindi naman. Lagi ka naman nasa tono eh. Tsaka kung mawala ka man sa tono,
Ay, hindi ko kasalanan yun. Pag wala ako sa tono, huwag kayong magalit sa akin.
kanino sila magagalit?
Sa iyo. Ikaw kumakanta eh.
Ayun, Nicolo, ang daming nanonood na. Sa plaza yan ng Surigao City. Ayan, mga bata, matatanda, mga sari-sari, high school students, college students, grade school, At kung ano-ano pa. At syempre, andyan din yung mga kaibigan natin from the other parts of Surigao. Katulad nitong pamilya na to, Nicola, natatandaan ko to. Ito ay from Sitio Perico sa Barangay Anomar sa Surigao City.
Ay, opo.
At ayan, ito naman ay taga Manila. Taga Manila sila. In fact, kamag-anak ng aking former schoolmate sa Cabrini, mga San Luis. Ayan, alright. At syempre, andun ang mga tumulong sa atin, mga personnel, the entire office personnel of the Surigao City Tourism and Cultural Affairs Office. Maraming salamat po sa inyo sa pagtulong nyo sa amin.
Ay, oo. Natakasaya, no?
O maiksi lang kasi medyo hindi natin naayos yung schedule, may kasabay na mass. Ayaw naman natin makiagaw pa ng eksena sa malakas yung mass nila doon, naka-loudspeaker.
Ay, opo.
So we had to cut it short and kahit maiksi lang, ang intention po namin kasi is to promote the art of puppetry not only in Metro Manila. We're doing this every weekend sa Metro Manila, pero syempre sa ibang lugar din na napupuntahan natin. We try to promote the art of puppetry and of course the art of busking as well.
Ay, opo. Kaya kung kayo po ay natatonood na dusker dyan sa lugar nyo, kahit hindi po kumakanta, kahit nagtatyano, nagdadialin, saxophone, sana naman po adutan nyo kahit maudariya lang.
Oo nga naman, malaking tulong na po yun. Kahit konting tulong lang sa mga buskers natin. Okay, Nicolo, pakita natin isang maiksing clip lang po ang nahanap ko sa internet. Wala kaming videographer nung araw na yun, kaya hindi namin document ng maayos. Pero we did find a very short clip, kaya pagtsagaan nyo na po sana.
Naiksi lang.
O sobrang iksi lang eh. Kumakanta ka.
Ay, opo. Tanoodin nyo to.
Kaya naman makaya na kahit pa na nahihirapan, kahit lungkot tumaraan, pag natuyo ng luha, parang nakita ang iyong kandihin. Hinitay pala, hinita, pangako mo.
Alright, ayun po, pasensya nyo na po, napaka-short lang. Actually, nakita ko lang yan, may nag-live eh. So, kinuha ko lang, very, very short clip lang.
Opo. Pasensya na po kayo Wala kasi tayong kasanang videographer.
Wala tayong kasama eh. Kasi nga, Surigao City, yan yung gateway to Mindanao, just in case you don't know. Alright? At bago po kami magpaalam, paalala ko lang sa inyo, today, this episode is second to the last. Second to the last.
Ay, second to the last na, Andilis.
Second to the last na lang season 6. Hopefully magkaroon ng season 7.
Ayun, season 7.
Sana magkaroon ng season 7, no? Tingnan natin, we'll see, no? In the meantime, next week po ang last episode namin. We will try to make it special for all of you. So please do watch the last episode of the Puppet Short Story Season 6. In the meantime, bago po kami magpaalam, we'd like to thank once again Mayor Paul Dumlao, the City Mayor of Surigao. Maraming salamat po for having us in Surigao City despite the very short notice. Miss Roslyn Armida B. Merlin, the Surigao City Tourism Officer. We understand you've been sick lately. Pagagalingin po nawa kayo ng Panginoon.
Get well soon po. Tita Roslyn.
And the Surigao City Tourism and Cultural Affairs Office, lahat sila doon, Nicolo, tinulungan tayo sa pag-aayos ng mga silya, sound system.
Ay, opo. Miss Denise, salamat po, Miss Denise, for being so accommodating.
Ayan, tama po, Miss Denise. And last but not the least, the Surigao City Public Information Office for helping us inform the public na magkakaroon nga ng puppetry busking sa Surigao City that day.
Ay, opo. Salamat po, Surigao City TIO.
Salamat po. Thank you very much for having us. And again, sana po ay maulit.
Sana maulit.
Alright, again, paalala namin sa inyo, next week will be the last episode for season 6 of the Puppet Short Stories.
Sanahan nyo kami. We'll make sure it's a special episode.
Alright, bago po kami magpaalam, lagi naming iniimbita kayo, if you have a party or kiddie event, please get a puppeteer. Kung hindi man kami, get any puppeteer.
Pero sana kami.
We promise to give you a very, very special form of entertainment through the art of puppetry. Maraming salamat po. Again, I'm Tito Juanlu.
And I'm Nicolo. We'll see you again next weekend for the last episode of the Tatted Short Stories on TNC. God willing. Bye.